high ponytail. You're gonna put lots of gel, water, hairspray, make it look wet, and then comb it all up into a high pony. And the pony needs to be on top of the head, not on the back, but like literally up on top. It's gonna smooth, so she's got some flyaways. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of gel on it. I can put the gel in my hand and rub it on also. It does the same thing. And just kind of smooth that down before I put in the elastic. And then put in the elastic, I don't know, like maybe 4 fingers. Use clear or hair colored elastics. Clear works best for most hair types except black. I probably would do a black. And then you just start bubbling it. Just make sure that it's even. And then it just has a little bit of a bubble. If the elastic gets too far down, you can grab just a tiny little piece and slide it up, or you can just pull like that too to also slide it up. Okay, and then when you're done with the bubbles, you're going to just hairspray all of it and then run your hands down and try to smooth some of those flyaways.